Around the world, nature is struggling. In a recent report titled The Living Planet, it was found that species had declined on average 69% since 1970. Unfortunately, here in Wales, the story is not much better, with 1 in 6 species at risk of extinction, and a report titled The State of Nature Report 2019 showing that Wales is one of the most nature-depleted countries on the planet. But that might all be about to change.
A conference that has been postponed twice due to COVID is due to be held in Montreal, Canada, known as the United Nations Biodiversity Conference, or COP15. The event will be attended by leaders of the world to try and find a path out of the biodiversity crisis through taking strong action to halt and reverse the decline of nature over the next 30 years. One of the biggest conversations will be around protecting 30% of our land and sea by 2030, an important factor of COP15 which will ensure there is space for nature on our planet.
Oftentimes the voices of young people are left out of these enormous conversations despite the talks being about the world that we will inherit. So over the past few months, the young people from the Stand for Nature Wales project have come together to create a very powerful youth manifesto, clearly asking Wales and the world to save our wildlife.
Our Youth Manifesto asks for 6 things to be agreed upon as a planet and 6 things to be agreed upon in Wales. Though there are a lot of important issues facing biodiversity, these points are what we believe to be the most important in ensuring our nature is thriving for future generations.
A solid commitment to 30 by 30 from every government in the world to make sure nature has a home. Overhaul our food systems for the benefit of nature so we don't use every piece of land for our own needs.
For biodiversity to be considered on all new developments, big and small, so nature isn't forced out by concrete.
For stronger links to be made between nature and climate change. Both are intrinsically linked, so decision making should mirror that.
Massive commitments to reducing plastic waste and getting rid of pesticides, all of which kill wildlife in their millions.
Involve us, the young people of the world, in all the big decisions that will one day affect us.
Here in Wales, the situation is not good. We are one of the most nature-depleted countries in the world, so our manifesto asks are even stronger.
All new Welsh developments have only a positive impact on nature.
Wales must commit to the reversal of biodiversity loss by 2030. We cannot wait any longer.
Agricultural land must have biodiversity targets to hit, with people violating these regulations being held accountable for their actions.
Green corridor creation should be fast-tracked throughout Cymru to make sure nature can move around without issue.
Pesticides, both agricultural and domestic, need to be reduced 2/3 by 2030, including pet flea treatment and garden pest killers. People will not protect what they don't care about, so projects to be funded to connect people of all ages with nature.
We know that we as a species can do this. We can change the fate of nature so that we only have a positive impact from here on out. That is why there is hope that our world leaders will make a change at COP15 if they listen to our voices and secure our future for the years to come.
Support our young people today to make sure they have a voice for their future.